What up, what up, what up? This your boy, Money Making Jess. And it's Friday, it's the weekend, it's the chill day. As we know, the Forex market ends when the New York Stock Exchange ends. But we'll be back Sunday and it starts all over again. But you know what? The hustle, the grind never stops. The learning, the education never stops. So this weekend, I'm basically going to be reading more of my baby pips. I basically want to get through that. At least get to college. So I'm not going to read anything, but I'm going to get through baby pips. I at least want to get that totally done by next week. So I got to hammer out a lot of it this weekend. So I definitely will be on Baby Pip's website a lot this weekend because I really need to get that done. Dun 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 dun. All right. So what else we got going on? What else we got going on, people? It's Friday. What you doing? What you doing? I'll be driving for a lift all weekend. About to put in these 12 hours. About to grind out. About to grind out. I may chill Sunday. Go get a room. Take wifey out. Be date night this Sunday. It's date night Sunday, everybody. So put that on your calendar. Do something special for your special loved one. If you don't got a man or a woman, do something for your moms, your pops, somebody. To show some love to somebody, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Why are we working like this? Do something nice for yourself. Buy yourself something. You know what I'm saying? Take yourself out. Make yourself feel happy. Smile, look at the sky and say, thank you. I made it through another week. And do whoever you praise to, whatever, thank them or thank her, whatever. It doesn't matter, people. It doesn't matter. Be happy. Stay strong. All right. So today's recommended book is called Influence, The Psychology of Persuasion. I was watching a video and this was highly recommended. I took a quick look at it, did some reviews on it. It looks like it's a good one because people, we gotta learn psychology in order to beat and get an edge up on this Forex game, this financial market game, all these other games we play. If we do not have the psychology, the willpower to know when to get out, when to stop, when to take, what's it for? You know what I'm saying? What's it all for, people? What's it all for? So I recommend this book. Now, I must make a disclaimer, people. I don't claim anything. I'm not saying if you follow me, take my point of view. If you don't take my point of view, you're gonna become rich and successful. You're gonna lose it all. I'm just telling you my experience. This is for teaching purposes only. I'm not nowhere near a guru. You know what I'm saying? So always do your own research. And plus, majority of the links that are on my podcast, my video cast, my websites, I do make some type of commission. But believe it though, every product that I recommend, I have used or read or somehow was involved. I'm just not gonna blindly put things on the site for whatever purposes. I do use the products. Believe it. Jip. So people, this week has been a major learning, learning for me. And people, what is my golden rule? Do not trade in the cloud. So I made a couple trades today. One trade was okay, but I'm missing a piece in my plan, people. But I think I figured it out what it is. So next week I'm gonna test out this new theory. So I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is now. Y'all have to tune in next week when I reveal my results with this new little tweak that I'm gonna do starting next week Monday. And I think if I start doing this here, I'm going to win more trades. I'll give you a hint. It's basically how banks trade. So if you know how banks influence, especially the forex market, then you kind of know where I'm going with this. But I will reveal what it is. And here, oh, you know what? This is what I do. This is a contest. Comment in the section below, either my podcast, my YouTube channel, any of my media social channels. What do you think it is? And the first person that gets it right, because I'm gonna check timestamps, whatever, dates, whatever. That's how I'm gonna choose the winner. I'll send you $50. You know what I'm saying? $50. You know, that's something to get you a nice little meal, coffee, and a drink. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is. Well, it's a little contest. All right, people, that's my time. I'm over 5 minutes. I know I like to keep these daily updates under 5 minutes, so I gotta go. I just want to say, have a safe, blessed weekend. I would like to see everybody back next Monday. Let's continue this journey. Let's make this money. But at the same token, keep yourself happy. Do something nice for yourself. And just be happy, people. Life is too short to stress over a majority of this stuff. I know the world's in a crazy place. So much going on. We could talk about for days. But just remember, believe in something. Be happy in something. And be happy in yourself. And you know what? You'll wake up with a much brighter, more profitable, prosperous day. I know I didn't say that right, but y'all know what I mean. Like I said, this is straight up raw. You know what I'm saying? And I don't go back and edit. I don't got time. I got time to make this money. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, like I always like to say, thank you. God bless. And may universe bring whatever you desire. And please subscribe, like, let your friends, family know about my podcast, video cast, my websites. Let's get it. Let's build this community and let's go. Yeah.